What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to set up Twitch donations, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome video. So guys, how to set up Twitch donations. So the first step to setting up your Twitch donations is to decide which donation methods you want to use. So what do we have? So we are having Twitch Bits. So it's the official Twitch donation system and they are purchased directly via Amazon payments. Bits are Twitch's version of digital currency and can be used to pay for special audio and visual alerts called cheers. Cheers are also displayed in the special badges in the chat, and the more bits used, the higher the badge. To enable Twitch Bits, you need to go on your channel dashboard, select partner settings, select bits and cheering. Viewers can now donate you to your channel by typing cheer and the number of bits they wish to send you, typing cheer 10 for example, into a live stream chat tips the creator 10 bits. Then we are having PayPal. To set up PayPal for donations, you need to set up a paypal.me link to add to your profile or post it into a channel chat. Go to your channel, click edit panels, then click the plus button and add your paypal.me link to the description. Fill in the description section with any further reasons. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal.me account, go to our channel and find the video we done it. So how to make cryptocurrencies as a payment method on Twitch, as a donation, how to set it up as a donation service. You need to open a crypto wallet, navigate to the type of asset you want to receive and click the receive button. Copy the address, go to your channel, click panels, click edit panels, then click the plus button and add your crypto address to the description. Use descriptions section to specify the type of crypto you accept and the explanation of why users should it. You can use Brave Creator Program, you can use some third-party Twitch donations, sites as Maxi, Streamlabs, and so on and so forth. On the third-party service page dashboard, click Donation Settings, click the icon for whichever donation method you'd like to add. In settings, select your currency and a minimum donation. Using $5 as a minimum prevents lots of small donations. Click Save Settings, copy the donation address and save it to your Twitch channel page. So basically those are the ways on how and what you can set up as a donation on Twitch. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.